Every time you eat, your body drops everything to deal with it. Digestion, blood sugar, hormones, all of it kicks into gear the second food hits your stomach. Now picture doing that 8, 9, 10 times a day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. Your gut never clocks out. It never gets a lunch break. That's where intermittent fasting comes in. And no, it's not a diet, it's a schedule. The most common version is called 16-8. You fast for 16 hours, then eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. Say your window is 12 p.m. to 8 p.m, you just skip breakfast, eat lunch and dinner, and you're done. Most of those 16 hours? You're asleep for a big chunk of them anyway. So really, you're just pushing breakfast back a few hours. That's the whole trick. Here's the first thing that changes: your insulin. Every time you eat, especially carbs and sugar, your pancreas releases insulin to move that sugar out of your blood and into your cells. If you're eating constantly, insulin stays elevated pretty much all day. And when insulin is high, your body is locked in storage mode. It's very hard to access fat for energy while insulin is up. During a fast, insulin drops. Lower, more stable insulin is linked to better long-term metabolic health. It's not magic, it's just giving the hormone room to reset. The second thing that changes is your digestive system itself. Digestion isn't free. It takes real energy and resources to break food down, absorb nutrients, and clean everything up afterward. When you fast, your gut gets a stretch of uninterrupted downtime instead of constant overlapping digestion cycles. Think of it less like starving your body and more like finally letting the kitchen close for the night. Now here's the part people get most excited about: autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating, but not in the way people think. It's not your body eating whole cells, it's your individual cells breaking down and recycling their own damaged or worn-out internal parts, old proteins, broken components, and reusing the material. Fasting appears to help trigger this cleanup process. And it's a big reason researchers are interested in fasting for long-term cellular health. That said, most of the strongest evidence is from animal studies and shorter fasting windows in humans. We're still learning exactly how much a daily 16-8 fast triggers it. So think of it as probable, promising, not a guaranteed cure for anything. Okay, so what can you actually drink during the fasting window? Water, obviously. Drink plenty of it. Black coffee is fine. Plain tea is fine too. The moment you add milk, cream or sugar, you've added calories, and that breaks the fast. Even a splash. Your body doesn't care that it's just a little. Rule of thumb: if it has calories, it waits until your eating window opens. None of this works because of some hidden trick. It works because you gave your body a consistent, predictable break. The hardest part isn't the biology. It's the first few mornings when your brain tells you that you need breakfast right now. That voice isn't hunger, that's habit talking, and habits can be retrained. Start with 12 hours, push to 14, then 16, when it feels natural. There's no trophy for rushing it. Give your gut a lunch break. Stick with it.